Check out this sweet level 3 self-parking. One continuous shot, no cuts. Thanks to my followers, I got to try out this awesome feature on the Avita 12. So you just hop out at the elevator, grab your phone, and pick any spot you want. The system maps out the quickest route and takes it from there. Hit confirm after activating the valet parking, and the car drives itself. No one inside, it's wild. I didn't bring my camera gear on this trip, so I had to borrow one. As you can see, it's a bit grainy. Night shots aren't its strong suit. Here's our first right turn. This self-driving tech is probably the best in China right now. Seriously, the speed and steering are super smooth, and you can see what the car's cameras see right on your phone. The app shows you the current speed, distance remaining, all that good stuff. Since it's driverless valet, safety is key. Right now, the speed is capped pretty low, but it doesn't really affect the experience. Plus you're not even in the car. I don't mind it taking its time in the parking garage, as long as it doesn't cause any fender benders. Look, it's slowing down for a pedestrian. Pretty polite, right? And it starts moving again once they are clear. You can also check out the other cameras on the app, like the 360 view. Ignore the seatbelt warning. We were just grabbing a quick shot. No one's buckled up. Looks like our spot's taken. It's searching for another one close by. The spot I picked is occupied, so the car's in full roam mode, hunting for a space. I have zero control over where it goes now. All I can do is hit pause or resume on the app, so it has to handle any surprises on its own. Like right now, that car's pulling out, and it doesn't look like they are gonna let us through. The car probably sensed some road rage and backed up to let them through. And it politely pulls over to let oncoming traffic pass. Backs up smoother than I do. Way smoother than me, for sure. Pulls over, waits for a gap, then goes for it. Valet parking activated. Drive safely. It wants to back up a bit to make that right turn after yielding. But there's a car right behind it now. Watch out for that close call. And look, there's a pedestrian on the right too. Obstacle detected. Tricky situation. Attempting to proceed. Okay, pedestrians clear. Full lock on the steering wheel, and we're moving again. Obstacle detected. Be careful. No open spots nearby, so it's gotta keep going. Man, this place is packed. Nowhere to park. Oncoming traffic. Let's see how it handles this narrow passage. Nailed it. This next one's sticking out a bit, so it's gotta swing wide. Too narrow. Stopping to yield. Safety first. Complex situation. Attempting to proceed. And we're rolling again. Seriously, who parked this thing? Don't they know how big their car is? Didn't even pull all the way in. Waiting for the other car. Obstacle detected. Be careful yielding. Be careful. There it goes. Time to snag that spot. But another car snuck in behind and blocked it. Gotta keep moving. It's leaving space for that other car. I didn't get it at first, but it's making room so it can take the spot after they leave. Smart. You can see the open spot on the right on my phone screen. It wants to back up, but there's another car too close behind it. Check this out. It's playing chicken with the car behind it. Like, back up or neither of us is going anywhere, and the other car caved. Backing up to give it room. Time to park. Parked. Normally, you'd be at your table by now. Chowing down. Avoided 7 minutes of parking mayhem during rush hour at the mall. Not bad. So what do you guys think?